Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on GBP USD for the next day. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So if you are to zoom it out and see that our trend on GBP USD, if you are to zoom it out properly, we can see that we are on a downtrend move. We are having a series of lower low and a lower high. So market eventually pushed up and we will be expecting another drop. Now let's go down to the forward time frame to see what market is currently doing. So market is literally at this major level, rejection level here. So we should be expecting a reaction at this level where market is currently at. So we should be expecting a little bit of a bullish move to come and tap this level, which will be our resistance level. Now, if market drops and break below the support level, the market will likely continue to drop below. If it does not break below it, then it will likely push up to tap this resistance level. So our next forecast on GBP USD will be this bullish move to tap this level at the resistance.